How to fix YouTube black screen on your Android device. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can fix the YouTube black screen problem on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, when you open your YouTube application, and once you open, if your screen is like this, like completely blank black, then what you need to do is, the issue might be related to the update of the application. So first thing you should do is simply head over to your Play Store and search in for YouTube. And once you're inside here, just make sure you have successfully updated it. And once you do that, simply head over to your YouTube application and long press on it until you see the I option over here, and just press on it. So once you're inside here, scroll down under the usage section where you will find the storage option. And from here, what you need to do is simply clear all the cache and clear all the data from over here. And once you do that, you just have to simply log into your YouTube once again, and that will be done, guys. So that is exactly how you can easily fix the YouTube black screen problem on your Android. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.